Okay, before going to the treatment, let us study about the pharmacology of the antimalarial drugs. Pharmacology of antimalarial drugs. Okay. First, chloroquine. Chloroquine. Okay. Chloroquine is a drug with the largest volume of distribution. Largest volume of distribution. Okay. Chloroquine, what it does is normally the heme, which is produced by the hemoglobin breakdown heme, this is converted to the hemozoin by the malaria parasite via the lipid mediated crystallization. Okay. What does chloroquine do is it inhibits this process, so the heme accumulates in the mainly in the food vacuoles. Okay. So heme accumulation, and this is toxic. This is toxic for the parasite, and this is toxic for the parasite, and it kills the parasite. Okay. And chloroquine is a erythrocytic seizontecide. That means it kills the erythrocyte seizones. Okay, erythrocyte seizones, seizontecide, erythrocytic seizontecide, and so no effect on exoerythrocytic stage. So it does not have any effect on liver stages, chloroquine. Okay. What are the adverse effects associated with the chloroquine? We have a pneumonia, it's called the hamster PPD. Hamster PPD. Okay. Hamster PPD means for hypotension, A for auditory impairment, M for myocardial depression, that is T wave changes in ECG. S for skin rashes, T for toxic psychosis. Very important is a retinal impairment. Okay. We call it a bull's eye maculopathy. Okay. It occurs at a cumulative dose of greater than 100 gram. When there is a cumulative dose of greater than 100 gram, then there occurs the bull's eye maculopathy. Very important. Peripheral neuropathy, porphyria, and discoloration of nails and mucous membrane. Okay. And it is also bitter in taste. But well tolerated. And it is safe in pregnancy. Chloroquine is safe in pregnancy. Okay. What are the other indications of the chloroquine? Okay, chloroquine. Indications of chloroquine. You can remember it by red lip, Mahatma Gandhi. Okay. R means rheumatoid arthritis. E means extraintestinal amoebiasis. S for discoid lupus erythematosus. L for Lepra reaction, I for infectious mononucleosis, P for photogenic reaction, M for malaria, and G for giardiasis. Okay. Second drug we have is a quinine. Second drug we have is a quinine. Quinine. Its mechanism of action is unclear, but may be similar to the chloroquine. Okay. Quinine is 70% plasma protein bound. Okay, plasma protein bound. Especially it is bound with alpha 1 acid glycoprotein. Okay, and quinine, the D isomer of the quinine is called quinidine. Okay, it's called quinidine. What are the adverse effects associated with quinine? First and most important is the hypoglycemia. Okay, and this hypoglycemia can be manifested as palpitations, sweating and tachycardia. So to prevent the hypoglycemia, it is always given in 5% of dextrose. It is always given with 5% of dextrose solution instead of normal saline. We give it in 5% of dextrose solution to prevent the hypoglycemia. Second adverse effect is the chinchonism at toxic doses. Okay, and it is manifested by gastrointestinal distress, vertigo, blurred vision, headache, tinnitus. Okay, chinchonism. And third is a cardiac conduction abnormality. What it does is it prolongs the QT interval, QT prolongation. Okay, and cardiac abnormality is more common with the quinidine more than quinine. So quinidine is more cardiotoxic than the quinine. It can prolong the QT prolongation up to 25%, whereas quinine can prolong up to less than 10%. Okay. Another effect is a hemolysis in G6PD deficient, and it is very bitter in taste, but it is also safe in pregnancy. Quinine is also safe in pregnancy. Third drug we use in the malaria is a mefloquine. Okay, but what can mefloquine lead to? Mefloquine, it leads to three important adverse effects. One is cardiac conduction abnormality, cardiac conduction disturbances. Second, it can lead to psychosis, most important, psychosis. Okay. Third, it can lead to seizures. Okay. So it should not be used with halofentrin. Because halofentrin is also cardiotoxic and mefloquine is also cardiotoxic. So they potentiate the cardiotoxicity. So that should not be used with the halofentrin. Okay, this will not be used with the halofentrin, mefloquine. Fourth drug is the plimaquine. It is both tissue as well as as well as tissue as well tissue sysonticide as well as gametocide. Okay, so it is used for the radical cure because it's a tissue sysonticide, so it acts on the liver. Okay, liver, so it can be used for the radical cure, primaquine. Okay, how it acts? It forms the redox compounds forms the redox compounds that acts as cellular antioxidants. Okay, what are the adverse effects of the primaquine? Adverse effects of primaquine are methemoglobinemia and hemolysis in G6PD deficient. Okay, most important is primaquine is contraindicated in pregnancy. And it has no role in Plasmodium falciparum, because in Plasmodium falciparum there is no exoerythrocytic stage, so there is no role in Plasmodium falciparum. Fifth is antifoliate drugs like pyrimethamine, proguanil, sulfadoxine and dapsone. Okay, these are all slow acting blood sysonticide. What are the adverse effect? Adverse effect are the same as caused by the antifoliate drugs. Okay, that is megaloblastic anemia, pancytopenia. Okay, they all are dihydrofolate reductase inhibitors. Okay, most important drug is the artemisinin derivatives. Okay, 5 types of derivatives are present: artemisinin, dihydroartemisinin, artesunate, artemether and artether. Okay, all are obtained from the Chinese herb. Artemisia annua. Okay, artemisinin is a prodrug and it has to be activated to dihydroartemisinin, which is the active product. What it does is it generates highly active free radical. It generates the highly active free radicals, and that damages the parasite membrane. And it is a fastest acting drug against the malaria. It's a fastest acting drug against malaria. One advantage is it is the fastest acting, and second advantage is very short half-life. Okay, short half-life. Adverse effect very rare. With it can lead to QT prolongation and anaphylaxis, urticaria and fever. So it is a safe drug. Okay. Another drug we use is atovaquone. It is also a blood sysonticide. What it does, it also collapse the membrane, okay, parasite membrane. It is used with proguanil, atovaquone proguanil. Why? Because proguanil potentiates its action. So atovaquone is used with the proguanil. Another important drug used is halofantrine and lumefantrine. Halofantrine is normally not used because of its cardiotoxicity. So it is more cardiotoxic, so halofantrine is lesser used, but lumefantrine is lesser cardiotoxic, okay, and it can be used with lumefantrine is mostly used with artemether. And fatty food increases the absorption of lumefantrine, okay, so it is given with some fatty food, okay, lumefantrine.